say hello to Joto, the connected display that draws with a pen. Just use the app to tell Joto what to draw, then sit back and watch as the pen works its magic, turning your pixels into pen and ink. The uses for Joto are limitless, and because Joto is connected, you can send a message to your friend's wall from anywhere in the world. Imagine some of the world's best artists and illustrators delivering art straight to your wall. Or simply display information in style. And when you're ready for something new, Joto wipes the slate clean. From sending the most important message of the day to keeping you in the loop. Exhibiting a priceless masterpiece to displaying the things that matter. It seems some things in life are just better off screen. Joto's story started 2 years ago when the Those Design Studio, that's these guys, Jim, Barney and Carmen, came up with the concept. They wanted to connect the digital world to the real world, not through a screen, but through pen and ink. Joto has been through loads of prototypes, a hardware incubator, software and electronics development, and now it's ready to go. And it's an award winner too. Turns out people love Joto. People like the artist and illustrator, Anthony Burrell.
It enables you to take work from screen that's very perfect, almost too perfect, and it takes it into the real world and it gives it a personality.
It's not just artists who see the potential of Joto. Here's Jim, the ideas guy.
It's awesome seeing how Joto inspires people. Everyone that sees it draw seems to come up with a new thing that they wanted to jot. People want to make to-do lists, send love notes, share information, and we've made sure that it works with all the apps that they love, including Slack, Spotify, even Amazon Alexa.
The notion of being able to create these pieces of art live in a real world space with no screens, that's completely new.
Those Design Studio worked alongside product design experts and electronics engineers to hone the nuts and bolts of Joto. Every detail is a thing of beauty worthy of hanging on your wall. The team have worked closely with manufacturers based in Shenzhen to ensure the pricing is realistic and production is doable. So, to celebrate the launch of Joto on Kickstarter, we've got something special lined up. 365 days of art. That means a brand new image from a top illustrator on your wall every day for a year.
We started as a small team with a good idea, and we've put everything into this to get it ready to go. And we're so close, but it's simply not going to happen without Kickstarter. So help us make it a reality.
So, the question is, what will you jot?